Every successful civil engineering project carries a story that is rarely told. Bridges, roads, and urban developments may appear to the public as finished symbols of progress, but behind them lie months of unseen effort. Thousands of details are studied, hundreds of drawings are revised, and countless technical decisions are weighed carefully. What is visible is only the result. What makes the result possible often remains hidden. Follow AXA to uncover the unseen work that turns complexity into lasting progress. Behind the scenes, engineers transform complexity into clarity and safety. The work extends far beyond regular hours, moving across time zones and cultures, with teams reviewing, adjusting, and refining until precision is achieved. It is here that trust becomes the true foundation of success. The greatest risk in outsourcing is not always a design flaw or a budget overrun, but a breakdown in trust. That is why the unseen factors matter most. AXA Engineers approaches this challenge with a model designed to remove outsourcing risk from day one. Instead of asking clients to rely on promises, AXA Engineers begins every engagement with a one-week, no-cost pilot project. A small but representative task such as preparing a short set of deliverables or processing redline sheets is completed under real conditions. During that week, 4 essentials are tested in practice: quality of work, communication rhythm, speed of execution, and accuracy of understanding. No fees, no obligations, and no fine print. An NDA is signed before any information is shared, ensuring confidentiality while performance speaks for itself. Yet eliminating risk requires more than a pilot. From the very first conversation, data security is protected by a multi-layered framework. A legally binding NDA sets the boundaries, while end-to-end encryption, data leak prevention systems, and secure backup protocols form the backbone of technical defense. On the human side, AXA Engineers enforces strict access control, disables external storage, and eliminates unnecessary paper records. What clients do not see is this quiet but rigorous system, ensuring that intellectual property remains safe. Control and visibility, often thought to be the sacrifices of outsourcing, are restored through the Client Hub. This centralized platform provides real-time updates, progress tracking, draft reviews, and direct communication with the project team. Every redline, every comment, every file passes through a single channel of truth. Instead of blind trust, there is transparent oversight, often surpassing what internal teams can achieve. Speed is another unseen advantage. AXA Engineers operates with dual shifts, passing work between teams across time zones so that output continues seamlessly. While a client rests, progress is being made. This rhythm transforms time difference from a challenge into a strategic benefit, allowing compressed schedules to be met without compromising quality. That quality itself is protected by a 3-layer check system. Each drawing is first reviewed by the engineer, then by a peer, and finally validated by a project manager. Automated tools add an additional safeguard, detecting clashes and ensuring compliance with standards. Continuous improvement is built into the culture. When issues arise, root causes are analyzed and processes are refined. As a result, quality becomes predictable and repeatable, not left to chance. These measures would be meaningless without real-world results, and projects such as Mitchell Mill and Marks Creek stand as proof. Clients who have worked with AXA Engineers often describe the collaboration as an extension of their own office. Some highlight the freedom it provides to pursue new bids, while others emphasize the consistency and reliability that allow them to grow with confidence. What emerges is a simple but powerful pattern. Risk is shifted away from the client and absorbed by the provider. Decisions are based not on persuasion but on performance. Trust is not claimed, it is demonstrated in action. So when a bridge opens, when a new development begins to shape a community, or when a permit is approved without delay, what the public sees is the finished result. What remains unseen is the system of safeguards, the transparent oversight, the overnight collaboration, and the culture of responsibility that made it possible. In those unseen layers, AXA Engineers has built a model that transforms outsourcing from uncertainty into confidence, and from a transaction into partnership.